I buy hot dogs from the food truck. I buy hot dogs from the food truck. I buy hot dogs from the food truck. She eats a lot of fried chicken. She eats a lot of fried chicken. She eats a lot of fried chicken. She eats pizza for dinner. She eats pizza for dinner. She eats pizza for dinner. Tempura is crispy and tasty. Tempura is crispy and tasty. Tempura is crispy and tasty. He doesn't eat sushi with wasabi. He doesn't eat sushi with wasabi. He doesn't eat sushi with wasabi. This gyoza is filled with pork. This gyoza is filled with pork. This gyoza is filled with pork. Onigiri is a Japanese rice ball. Onigiri is a Japanese rice ball. Onigiri is a Japanese rice ball. Have you tried takoyaki? Have you tried takoyaki? Have you tried takoyaki? I ate a chocolate cupcake for dessert. I ate a chocolate cupcake for dessert. I ate a chocolate cupcake for dessert. I eat a kiwi every morning. I eat a kiwi every morning. I eat a kiwi every morning. Macarons are sweet and colorful. Macarons are sweet and colorful. Macarons are sweet and colorful. I drink fresh coconut water at the beach. I drink fresh coconut water at the beach. I drink fresh coconut water at the beach. I eat an apple every day. I eat an apple every day. I eat an apple every day. These grapes are sweet. These grapes are sweet. These grapes are sweet. I eat ramen when I'm tired. I eat ramen when I'm tired. I eat ramen when I'm tired. I want a chocolate bar. I want a chocolate bar. I want a chocolate bar. I cut a papaya this morning. I cut a papaya this morning. I cut a papaya this morning. I eat spaghetti for dinner. I eat spaghetti for dinner. I eat spaghetti for dinner. I made wraps with chicken and veggies. I made wraps with chicken and veggies. I made wraps with chicken and veggies. I eat toast with jam. I eat toast with jam. I eat toast with jam. I buy cupcakes for my friends. I buy cupcakes for my friends. I buy cupcakes for my friends. I like udon noodles. They're so thick. I like udon noodles. They're so thick. I like udon noodles. They're so thick. I want a slice of watermelon. I want a slice of watermelon. I want a slice of watermelon. I love eating avocado with salt. I love eating avocado with salt. I love eating avocado with salt. I eat an orange after lunch. I eat an orange after lunch. I eat an orange after lunch. I want some French fries. I want some French fries. I want some French fries. I have dragon fruit at home. I have dragon fruit at home. I have dragon fruit at home. I have a banana for breakfast. I have a banana for breakfast. I have a banana for breakfast. This cake is so good. This cake is so good. This cake is so good. He orders bubble tea every day. He orders bubble tea every day. He orders bubble tea every day. Let's eat ice cream. Let's eat ice cream. Let's eat ice cream. I have noodles for lunch. I have noodles for lunch. I have noodles for lunch. Mangosteen is my favorite fruit. Mangosteen is my favorite fruit. Mangosteen is my favorite fruit. I tried starfruit for the first time. I tried starfruit for the first time. I tried starfruit for the first time. Rambutan is a fun fruit to eat. Rambutan is a fun fruit to eat. Rambutan is a fun fruit to eat. This raspberry is very fresh. This raspberry is very fresh. This raspberry is very fresh. I want 2 burgers, please. I want 2 burgers, please. I want 2 burgers, please. I don't eat guava often. I don't eat guava often. I don't eat guava often. I had a chocolate donut for breakfast. I had a chocolate donut for breakfast. I had a chocolate donut for breakfast. This taco has a lot of cheese. This taco has a lot of cheese. This taco has a lot of cheese. Can I have a cookie? Can I have a cookie? Can I have a cookie? I eat sandwiches for lunch. I eat sandwiches for lunch. I eat sandwiches for lunch. Sapodilla is soft and sweet. Sapodilla is soft and sweet. Sapodilla is soft and sweet. I eat a sausage with rice. I eat a sausage with rice. I eat a sausage with rice. I eat cherries in summer. I eat cherries in summer. I eat cherries in summer. Mango is my favorite fruit. Mango is my favorite fruit. Mango is my favorite fruit. Do you want some blueberries? Do you want some blueberries? Do you want some blueberries? This peach is very juicy. This peach is very juicy. This peach is very juicy. I like chicken sauté with peanut sauce. I like chicken sauté with peanut sauce. I like chicken sauté with peanut sauce. I eat orange slices after school. I eat orange slices after school. I eat orange slices after school. My sister loves cheeseburgers. My sister loves cheeseburgers. My sister loves cheeseburgers. This pear is so crunchy. This pear is so crunchy. This pear is so crunchy. I eat melon on hot days. I eat melon on hot days. I eat melon on hot days. I always eat pancakes with syrup. I always eat pancakes with syrup. I always eat pancakes with syrup. Dates are sweet and sticky. Dates are sweet and sticky. Dates are sweet and sticky. The lemon is too sour for me. The lemon is too sour for me. The lemon is too sour for me. I bring biscuits to school. I bring biscuits to school. I bring biscuits to school. This bread is soft and fresh. This bread is soft and fresh. This bread is soft and fresh.